Winter is here, snow falls, temperatures plummet. For electric car owners, a familiar anxiety sets in. Will their battery last? Range anxiety, a nagging worry even in summer, becomes a chilling reality in winter. But fear not, fellow drivers, you can conquer the cold and keep those electrons flowing. This isn't about accepting defeat, it's about understanding the challenges and outsmarting them. Just like we layer up in winter, our electric companions need a little extra care to perform their best. So buckle up as we navigate the icy roads of winter driving and unlock the secrets to maximizing your electric car's range. Alex, a proud owner of a sleek electric sedan, loves the thrill of silent acceleration and zero emissions. But winter in his hometown is harsh. His daily commute, a breeze in summer, becomes a test of endurance for his car's battery. The cold saps the energy, the heater guzzles precious charge, and range plummets faster than a sled down a mountain. One particularly frigid morning, Alex found himself sweating despite the icy air. His battery indicator blinked an ominous red. He was miles from home, with no charging station in sight. That's when he realized he needed a new game plan. Winter driving demanded more than just charging the car overnight. It required strategy, planning, and a few clever tricks. Alex's first lesson was simple: preheat the car. While plugged in, he started using the preheating function. This warmed the cabin and, crucially, the battery, using energy from the grid, not his precious charge. Next, he discovered the magic of eco mode. By limiting acceleration and top speed, he squeezed extra miles out of every charge. Tires, often overlooked, became his allies. Keeping them properly inflated reduced rolling resistance, conserving battery life. He even invested in a set of low rolling resistance winter tires for added grip and efficiency. Lastly, Alex learned the value of planning. He mapped out charging stations along his route and factored in extra time for charging stops. Winter driving in an electric car doesn't have to be a game of chance. By understanding the challenges and adopting smart strategies, you can conquer the cold and enjoy the many benefits of electric driving year-round. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it also saves you from being stranded with a dead battery. So embrace the electric future, even when the weather turns frosty. With a little foresight and these practical tips, you'll be gliding through winter with confidence and a smile, knowing you've got the power to go the distance.